In Kolkata, as battleground Bengal really centering around Kolkata today, the Chief Minister held his first major roadshow in this elections in Kolkata, and it was roadshow versus roadshow, with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also holding a roadshow earlier. The Prime Minister's roadshow is from Sham Bazaar, 5 Point Crossing to Shimla Street. Mamata Banerjee also holding a roadshow earlier. The Prime Minister, while campaigning in Bengal, slammed the Trinamool Congress over vote bank politics, saying the Trinamool wants people to remain poor and backward. The Prime Minister also thanked the people of Kolkata during his roadshow.
ये टीएमसी वाले सुबह शाम वोट बैंक करते हैं, सुबह शाम गाली गलौज करते हैं, सुबह शाम कानून के खिलाफ काम करते हैं। इनके पास देश के लिए कोई विजन है क्या? टीएमसी वालों के पास देश के लिए कोई विजन है क्या? बंगाल के लिए कोई विजन है क्या? जो टीएमसी सिर्फ अपने वोट बैंक के लिए काम करती हो, वो यहां के युवाओं के लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकती। टीएमसी आपको गरीब और पिछड़ा बनाए रखना चाहती है ताकि उसकी दुकान चलती रहे।
Well, let's go across to Saurabh now for more. And Saurabh, quite a power-packed day today in Kolkata with, a roadshow versus roadshow. You're outside Swami Vivekanand's house, and this is where the Prime Minister's roadshow will end?
Yes, the Prime Minister's roadshow cavalcade is about to end, and this is, of course, right here. And the Prime Minister's roadshow is about to end now. And at this point, you can see the cavalcade almost arrive. And this will take place at this point, right here, as the Prime Minister arrives. This cavalcade will arrive here. And at this point, though, there have been several rallies today in Kolkata. One led by, of course, Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister. There's also, there was a roadshow by him, I beg your pardon. Then there was a roadshow by Abhishek Banerjee in Diamond Harbour, one of the other constituencies, high-profile constituencies that go to vote. And now, of course, you have the roadshow coming here, which is, of course, the Prime Minister's roadshow in North Kolkata. So obviously a power-packed day in West Bengal politics ahead of the last and final phase of voting, when 9 seats in West Bengal go to polls, including the Kolkata North seat where the Prime Minister is campaigning at the moment. For Taposh Rai, the BJP candidate who until a few months ago was with the TMC. So obviously this is an ongoing campaign and a high-profile, electrifying campaign that's taking place now. Like I say, in cricketing terms, these are the slog overs. And to use a cricket analogy, there will be, of course, political heavy hitting at this point. But quite a crowd actually for the Prime Minister's roadshow. And the Prime Minister's roadshow about to conclude now here at Swami Vivekananda's residence. It started from the Sham Bazaar, 5 Point Crossing, where the Prime Minister paid floral tribute to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, whose statue is there. And now, of course, you have the Prime Minister's roadshow ending here in this part of town, where the Prime Minister's roadshow is actually ending at this point right now. So you have Abhishek Banerjee's roadshow in Diamond Harbour. You had Mamata Banerjee's roadshow in Kolkata, and now, of course, you have the Prime Minister's roadshow also in Kolkata, ending now right here at Swami Vivekananda's house.
All right, Saurabh, thanks so much for joining us there. And as you can see, the Prime Minister's roadshow in Kolkata. In fact, he also put out on social media thanking the people, saying, Kolkata, you've won me over. Today's roadshow will be etched in my memory forever.